Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can activate golf in your Garmin watch. So let's get straight into it. Now first you ensure that you have capability of the golf on your watch. Then we will jump now into the menu where the sports are. So the top left corner, action button, and I will scroll down all the way to the end because I don't play golf, so I don't have it here in the menu. You will see at the bottom add, so again action button, and here you can select then other sports. So I have here golf somewhere right over here. Action button again, set as favorite, yes or no. I will put on no, and right, so I have it now in my menu just like that. Okay, so now what I can do is action button again, and we need to wait a little bit for the GPS. Okay, so now everything is loaded. So as you can see here, I have some courses right in the watch. So if you don't have that, please download the Garmin Golf app, and there you can load the courses. It can be preloaded or not, so if you have that option that you have this app downloaded from Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Now what I can do, let's say, and select one. So I will select the course. Now keep score, yes or no. So let's say yes. Okay, so let's say this way, and now we have here some pairs, as you can see, like that. Now if I press again action button, you will see that we have some option that we can end round, pause round, move leg, hazard, measure shot, layups, scorecard, odometer, and other settings like background color, scoring. So you can basically set up this sport here. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.